Oh, it looks spectacular. I mean, the cooking of the duck, the rendering of the fat.
It's just bang on.
Happy days.
I don't know who's more excited to see you guys back, these guys in the balcony or the three of us, because watching you cook is an absolute joy, and we can't wait to see what you've learnt while you've been out of this kitchen. Just to remind you of the stakes, we're looking for the 6 best dishes to go through to round 2, where your place back in the competition is waiting for you. First up to the tasting table, Pete.
Walking up to the judges, you never know quite how it's going to go, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I know Gary loves these classic roasts, so hopefully I'm going to sing to him today.
What have you cooked?
Today I've done a lamb rack with pea puree and a mint gastrique.
You know what, Pete? I think that looks
good.
Absolutely smashing.
Yeah.
You chose mint, and you've given us a minty dish. Lamb, beautifully cooked, soft. I love it. I think it's great cooking, Pete. Well done.
You've brought that old mint sauce bang up to date, 21st century. It's absolutely delicious.
Get that dessert ready, matey.
Well done.
Well done.
After I got eliminated, you know, it just feels good to be back here and proving that, yeah, I can actually cook.
Pia, up you come. What have you cooked us?
Sautéed gnocchi with an orange and fennel sauce.
I love the flavour of orange. I love the flavour of that sauce. It's just absolutely wonderful. Next up, Josh.
Char-grilled quail that's got miso, mirin and orange zest through it.
The fresh of the orange and the orange with the miso on the quail is great.
Thanks.
Next up, Lee.
I've cooked a pan-fried duck breast, a cherry jus with some pommes dauphine.
That sauce is sensational.
Amazing, amazing.
Rashidal, let's bring your dear forward, please.
I have done a jungle musk curry and a Bangladeshi savoury pastry called bakar khani.
Rashidal, the flavour of that bread takes me straight back to al-Bakr.
Next up, Samuel.
I've done quail 2 ways with star anise, orange, braised fennel.
That absolutely is a cracking dish. It's delicious. The star anise kind of envelops all the little elements in that dish and ties it all together. That is wonderful.
Well done.
Ryan, your turn.
If I get into round 2, it's the dessert round. That's going to be my A game. So I'm really hoping that this dish can break me into round 2.
Oh, Brian, we've missed your smile in this kitchen. It's been an emptier place. What's the dish?
It's a ginger pork and prawn dumpling with some sweet pickled ginger. It's inspired by a childhood memory of holding dumplings with my mum.
Would your mum be happy with these?
I really think she would be.
Let's see.
You know what I love about them is that colour. Look at that caramelisation on that steam fried, and they're plump.
Did you get that in one go?
I can't tell you when I've had dumplings as good as that. Really delicious. Flavour of ginger just sings through, tiny bit of heat.
This is about hearing ginger, and really, ginger's a hard one to do for savoury, to really make it that prominent without it dominating the dish. You have walked a fine line, you've walked it elegantly and beautifully. Well done. Very nice.
Next up, Tamara.
The judges absolutely love Brian's dumplings, and my heart sinks a little bit. I've had nightmares about the dumplings that I last cooked in the kitchen. They were an absolute disaster, and I want redemption today. I want to banish the demon, and I really want these dumplings to be my saving grace.
What have you cooked?
Prawn and chili pot stickers, sticky chili sauce, and a chili oil.
The look is very elegant. You've taken the pot sticker, you put it into its rightful place in kind of an art gallery. Just hope that the filling is good.
Yeah, I really want to be in round 2.
See, that really is the way to hero chili, isn't it? Make the dumpling just a vehicle for chili in 3 forms.
I love them, Tamara. Love them. I love that crisp pancake that's on the bottom. But that dark chili caramel, along with the dumplings, which are just beautifully made, fillings delicious, is just boom, full of flavour.
I can taste all these different spaces of chili, and I'm salivating, and I'm going to start to dribble.
Again, please.
Thank you so
Same
much.
again.
Thank you. To come back here for second chance and then to do so well in the first round, I'm just so happy.
Next up, Jess.
I want this so badly. There's so much riding on this dish. It's just the kind of food that I want to be plating to the judges. I've used the pressure, I've cooked with my heart, I've trusted my instincts, and I'm hoping that that's going to be enough to put me through to the second round.
Today I've made pan-fried duck breast with parsnip puree and a duck and blackberry jus.
This is good food, or looks like it. Let's see what it tastes like. It's just solid cooking, technically perfect, delicious sauce, a beautiful smooth puree.
Oh, it looks spectacular. I mean, the cooking of the duck, the rendering of the fat.
It's just bang on.
Happy days.
I just feel so proud. Hearing feedback like this from the judges really confirms to me how much I have actually learnt, and I just want to get back in so bad.
Every cook in the MasterChef kitchen is important, but for the 12 of you, this cook was momentous. Unfortunately, only 6 of you will go forward to the second round and move one step closer to regaining your apron and your place back in the competition. If I call your name, please step forward. Jess. Samuel. Ryan. Tamara. Pete. The last person cooking in round 2 for their place is Lee.